Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm going to be sharing with you today another exciting sneak peek from Oraloa. I'm super excited about this one. This is an artist that I have admired her work, and I just haven't gotten around to doing any of the kits, so I'm super excited to unbox this one. So let me get it out of the box, and then we'll talk about all the particulars. Don't go anywhere. Okay, had to get it out of the bag there, but let's go. Soft link canvas with the scalloped edges like all of Oraloa's. Let me start unrolling this here so we can see the kit. Oh, I'm loving it already. All right, so what have we got? We've got our instructions and our stickers. We've got our drills. Ooh, there's at least a couple of ABs. They're all in baggies. I'm gonna set those aside for the moment. Let's check and see what we get in our little toolkit here. So we get a little card. We get a little, this is like plastic. I guess you could turn that into a cover minder. A little win an extra kit. We get our tray, our wax, our scrunchie, a roll of washi tape. We get some very cute purple pokey tweezers, and then we get our diamond painting pin with a 3-placer attached and an extra 9-placer. So that's in our toolkit. Let me get this put away. All right, then we get our instructions, which I don't need, and we get upside down, we get our little stickers here. So this is called Magie by Bayonet. I love her stuff. I have a Pegasus one or unicorn one. I have another little one that's a little boy with a lion. And yeah, I just really love her art style. She's the one that did the Canadian one that I'm still looking for. I need to do an in search of or go to some D-stash groups and see if anyone has that one. Anyway, so Magie by Bayonet. This is 53 by 64 inches. And it has 50 colors, and we have 5 ABs. So you do get pre-cut stickers with these, and then a sticker over here that you can stick in your logbook. I'm excited to see all of the drills, but first we need to go look at this cute little canvas. So don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Here we have our canvas. I'm not going to get all of it on screen because it's so large, but I will do a B-roll so you guys can kind of see everything. I think this one is so cute. So we have our schematic on both sides. We have our DMC codes, 50 colors, like I said, along with 5 ABs. It is, again, one of the things I love about Oraloa, these nice thick cover sheets. Poured glue, so it's nice and sticky where you need it to be. So I don't know if you guys can see right here, but the cover sheet isn't quite sticking. So always pull it up and kind of make it lay flat. I'll do that in a minute. Anyway, so you can kind of see right here. Now, it says it is 53 by 64. So let's measure this. So 53, it is right at 53. And if I flip it this way to measure it this way, 64. So 53 by 64. I think it says 53.2, but 53 is what I'm getting. I'm so excited about this. I love this. We've got the little trees. We've got her little fairy wings. We've got her cute little face with her big blue eyes. And then we've got these very cute flowers. And there's a little like sprite, like a little flame sprite or a water sprite down here. Another flower. We've got like a little lily pad down here. So lots of blues in this kit. See, you can see, I don't know if you guys can see if it's reflecting right there, but it's not quite, the cover sheet is not quite stuck down. And again, I'll do a B-roll of all of this so you guys can kind of see everything. All right, so now that we've looked at our canvas, let's look at our drills. So for those of you who like things in baggies, you are all good to go. I will likely be kitting this up. So let me separate out our ABs because we'll look at those last, and then we'll see if we have any duplicates. So we've got like a light tan. We've got a turquoise green. Ooh, we've got a very pretty dark turquoise. A kind of a peacock blue, a dark blue, a very pale yellow, kind of a sagey green, and a slightly darker sagey green. Then we've got like a turquoise green, a pale blue, like a slate blue. Then we have, we've got 1, 2, 3 bags of 310, so quite a bit of 310. But that's to be expected. That is in this cartoon style. You're going to have outlines everywhere and everything. So 3 bags of 310. Then we've got another dark blue, kind of a dark mauve, a dark gray, a very pale green, a blue, another kind of turquoise color, a watermelon pink, a very pale kind of creamy tan, a peach, a very light white, kind of an off-white color, a periwinkle blue. Then we have another kind of turquoise, a dark royal blue, a very dark blue, a brick red, a green, a very dark slate blue, a dark gray. Still all these colors left to go. All right. Then we have 2 bags of 939. We've got a green, a light gray, another kind of turquoise green. All these shades of green. So all of these, there's like a light green, another kind of sagey sea green, and then a darker green. And then we have a peach, a light pink, another dark blue, a blue, a pale blue, a very dark gray, another pretty watermelon pink, and then some very kind of dark turquoise. So yeah, lots of blues and greens in this kit, but I think it's going to be really, really pretty. All right, let me get these drills put away and we'll be right back to look at the ABs and where they go on the kit. All right, we've got 5 ABs, so let's just look at these. So we've got this very pretty pink AB, and it goes in the flowers here. And there's another one down here. Does it go? Yes, and in her lips right there. So this very pretty kind of pinky purple AB. Then we've got this very pretty kind of light blue AB, and this one is in the background here, all through the background. We've got this AB, so that's going to be really pretty. Then we've got a slightly darker blue AB. This one is going to go down here in her dress here. So that's going to be very pretty. And then we have a very dark forest green AB, which is going to be in various places on all the leaves, just kind of little highlights here and there, both at the top and bottom. And then our last AB is this very pretty kind of light green AB, and it is the leaves down here and our little lily pad at the bottom. So yeah. All right, let me get all of this put away and I will be right back. So we've got our very pretty canvas here, all of our drills with the 50 colors, including the 5 ABs. We've got our stickers in our toolkit, so everything you need, good to go. This is going to be one of their new releases for October 2nd. So make sure that you check them out. I think they usually post on their Instagram like the week before what's going to be coming out the next Monday. Monday is their new release day. I will stick a link down below to Oraloa's website. I can't stick a link to this particular kit because it is a sneak peek and it hasn't been released yet. But yeah, go check them out. I really like Oraloa. I think they are on a par with any other premium diamond painting company. I really like some of the artists that they have, and I think their drills and their canvases are really good quality. Okay guys, I'm trying to shoot this in between them working on the street. They're using very loud, very noisy tools. So while they're on lunch break, I'm trying to shoot this. It's done. My super secret project that I haven't been able to tell anyone about, that I've been working on so feverishly for the last 2 weeks, is finally finished. This is obviously the finished canvas that I just showed you the unboxing of. This is called Magie by Vayonette, and I love her. I think she's so pretty, just this kind of delicate, and I don't know if she's supposed to be a fairy, a mermaid, some kind of nymph, sylph, I don't know what. She's got cute little horns on the top of her head, but she also has fairy wings. She's got this very long hair that flows down, but she's also kind of overlooking the water. She's got this little sprite friend here. I don't know what she is, but she's very, very cute, and I'm very, very happy with the way that she turned out. I especially like the leaves on all of her clothing on the front of her bodice here, and then also the leaf tattoos that are all up and down her arms. And I think the shading on her skin looks so good. It looks really nice and natural. I'm really happy with the colors of everything. This kit came with, what, 5 ABs? So you can see there are some green ABs here. Of course, there's a pink AB in both of the flowers. There is a blue AB in her bodice, as well as different places in the background. And I'll do some close-up B-roll so you guys can kind of see. Again, my drill placement isn't perfect, but once it's done and you stand away, you can't tell the difference. And I think she looks so, so good. I'm so, so happy that with this one. It took me about 48 hours to do this one, roughly, but I think it turned out so well. I'm so happy with it. The little sprite here is very cute, but yeah, my favorite is just her lovely little face. The wings look nice and delicate, and then again, her skin tone and the colors of her dress and everything. Now, the only thing about this is because it is a lot of dark colors, there's a lot of teals and everything that I really liked, but there's a lot of, especially on the sides behind her, up by the branches, and this corner over here, the top corner, lots and lots of dark colors. And of course her hair, it's lots of black. I think black was the color I had the most of. Lots of very dark blue, lots of another shade of blue, and the teals. And so because of that, there was quite a bit of trash. So for the entire kit, this is my trash, and you can see it is quite a bit. Now, these are resin drills, so a lot of the trash was drills that are stuck together that didn't separate during the making process. There's also a lot of drills that have holes in them. There's a lot of drills that are, like, I don't know if you can see this one right here, that are concave on the back. So they didn't quite get fully, the molds didn't get fully filled, and so when they pull out, they won't stick to your canvas because they're not flat on the back. So quite a bit of trash. Having said that though, I expected that because there are lots of dark colors, and even at that, I didn't run out of any color. I had plenty of every color left over, and she just turned out so, so well. I'm so, so happy with her. So this is one of their new releases. This will be available on October 2nd, which is the coming Monday. So you're seeing this on Saturday. On Monday, they should be available, barring any unfortunate circumstances, and you can pick it up. And I'm so happy that I did this one. Vayonette is an artist that I have liked for a long, long time. She's one of the artists from my artist series, and she's also the one that is kind of my unicorn kit, the one from Canada that she did that I can't find anywhere. I get to put it on my artist series. I get to count this towards my diamond painting hours. I get this cute kit, and I get to share this lovely sneak peek with you guys. So just lots of wins all around for me. I want to thank Oraloa for allowing me the opportunity to do this sneak peek. I love this kit. I think she's so cute. I don't know exactly what the price will be. They don't post any of that until it's actually released, but I will stick a link down below to the website, so please, please go check it out. I really do think that their kits are very nice. Their drills are resin. The drills are very nice. They fit together so nice and neatly, and it was just an enjoyable experience all around. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video, guys. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.